It is theoretically possible for advanced AI to cause harm to humans if it is designed with that intention or if it behaves in unintended ways. However, it is important to note that this scenario is highly unlikely and not supported by the vast majority of AI researchers and practitioners. The development of advanced AI is guided by principles of ethical and responsible design, and there are strict regulations and guidelines in place to ensure that AI systems are safe and beneficial to society. Additionally, AI systems are designed to operate within specific parameters and are not capable of acting beyond their intended functions without human intervention. Furthermore, there is ongoing research in the field of AI safety to ensure that AI systems are designed to be robust, transparent, and secure, with the goal of preventing any potential harm to humans. Overall, the risk of advanced AI killing humans is a concern that is taken seriously by the AI research community, and measures are being taken to mitigate that risk.